Alright, what's up? Chris Flame Gaming here, and today I have something cool for y'all. I am over here in Abilene, Texas, where I am just exploring with my dad. And I'm just gonna make a video of what I find and take some pictures with this camera. Right, Dad?
Sí.
Let's see what we can find. I mean, I could record with this, but I don't know where the cable is to, like, post it.
Okay. Come on,
So we're just gonna explore and see if we can find any wild animals or anything. It's really nice here, actually, in this state park. I recommend anybody who lives in Abilene that watches me, or just if you live in Texas or if anywhere far. I don't think you would come all this way just for a state park, but I'd recommend you to come. This place is very nice. Am I zoomed in? No, the camera's just like this. I don't like it. It's very, very zoomed in. Whoa, it's slippery. And we're going to a bird blind. This isn't really a trail, but I'm pretty sure every state park has a bird blind that connects to a trail. Yeah. And we're here. I found it to the left. And there it is.
Acércate poquito más, quedito.
Alright, we just saw 2 deers. White-tailed deers, yeah. But where's Bambi? Okay, we've made it to the bird blind. I have to be quiet, though. I'm just gonna place the camera down, and hopefully y'all see some stuff, because I gotta take pictures.
Míralos. Ahí se para uno blanco. El rojo. I love that bird. El rojo.
Cardinal.
No lo puedes hacer zoom in y luego ya lo...
Alright, guys. We just found Sandy Cheeks. I see you there. And there's a bird right there. And there's hummingbirds right there. You can't really see anything. I'm not gonna get likes on this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm at 6 and I just started. This is good. And now we saw Sandy Squirrel drinking water. There's also that one right there. Yep, there it is. Ooh, ooh, there it is. Now we're just gonna keep on going on the trail, see what we find. I'm gonna have to be really quiet. Watch this with earphones. Don't worry, there's no ear rape in this. Well, this is what you can find here. American crow, black-capped chickadee, 5 inches, eastern bluebird, blue jay, house sparrow, northern cardinal, and a red-tailed hawk, 19 inches. No way a red-tailed hawk is 19 inches. That's barely bigger than my animation tablet. Okay, now we're just gonna keep on going on the trail. Bird blind is right there. We've barely walked anything. Still haven't seen any nice animals. Okay, there's 2 decisions. This way, that's the way we just came from. This way, or that way. This way looks nice because of all the trees crossing over.
No creo que esté muy nice este lado.
No?
No.
Huh. Oh, we gotta find out. Okay. That's why we brought the knife. Because of snakes. rattlesnakes. Oh, this is where the river passes through. I actually really like this place. And there's
Se ve muy bueno.
cactus.
A lo mejor por allá abajo.
Le seguimos. Más poquito. We're gonna keep on going for just a little bit. Hopefully you're all enjoying this vlog. If you want, I'll put music on it. It's still really, really nice through here. Lots of cactus. Or cacti. Pine trees. Baby pine trees. Now it's clearing up. This goes everywhere. Oh man. We're gonna get lost. Google Maps is here to save the day. Yay! Who knows where this is gonna take us? You sure it's
Fresh. Mira, el animalito ese.
fresh?
Bobcat.
If we get jumped by a bobcat, I got the power of God and enemy on my side. Okay, we're still going. There's different trails that go to different places.
Óchale.
Oop, there's a
Es una
perro.
lizard. No.
Oh, I thought it was a dog. It's a lizard. It's a dinosaur. Oh, we think we're gonna go back and take the other trail because who knows where this takes you. You said it would take us to the bridge.
Bajamos.
I don't know. Any of y'all who doesn't understand Spanish, lo siento. This is really nice here. I'm guessing this is where the river goes through. It's kind of weird. We haven't seen any animals yet. Just insects. Ew. Who put them on this planet? Ew. Let's keep on going. Don't know what I'm going to take a picture of, since there's literally nothing to take a picture of here. Nothing good anyways. Oh God. Another stream that's not here. I bet if there was water here, this would look really, really nice. Oh, it comes from there and there. Look, it comes from... Oh, wait, it goes two ways. It's just one stream. It comes from up there, and then it comes through here, and then through here, and then it just drowns people here. Yep, we're deciding to go back. That's wait a minute. I'm on my way. I've actually fallen in some of those once when I was like 5 or something. I was on my garbage can thing, and then you know the Macs, like when they flip over? Well, we had a lot of those there, and then I flipped over and I landed in them. Okay, story time over. Shh, be quiet. Hey, stop. Yeah, the sun is setting. We gotta get we gotta get back. No. Man, this like reflects everything I have on right now. The camera and me. I should really stop recording. 10 minutes passed by way too quick. Like, way too quick. It's at 9 already. Oh, crap. Okay, we're going this way. Oh, yeah, like, chat in the comments. How's your summer going? As you can see, mine is lit. I'm sorry I had to say that. And we're back at the entrance. That quick. Just like the freaking 10 minutes that passed by. Literally, it's about to be 10 minutes. $9.47, $9.48, $9.49. That trail actually looks really nice. Why didn't we go through that one? Gosh dang it. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. And
¿Quieres ir?
Okay. And I'll put this trail next time I come to Abilene.
Me voy enfrente.
Hashtag stay crispy. Like and sub for my dad. Goodbye, everybody.